morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir.
Now, class, good morning. I need you to listen, and I need you to listen carefully. We are talking about identities. We are talking about squares of numbers. And these are algebraic identities. I gave you some methods last week at which we solve identities. I said we have the square of a sum. We have the square of a difference. And we also have difference of two squares. Have we gotten to that? Now, the first one which we did was square of a sum. And that means that our equations, especially the ones in brackets, should be positive. That's why we have the word sum. And when we have our equations in the bracket to be negative, it means it's what? It is difference. I remember giving you that in the class. Now, I gave you an assignment last week. You are going to be having two brackets here. So it's now going to be 2x minus 3y square equals to 2x minus 3y and 2x minus 3y, not plus. You're having, yes. Why is it like that? Because this is called what? The square of a difference. Assuming it is positive, like plus inside, it becomes square of a sum. But the moment there is a minus inside, it becomes what? Square of a difference. But the moment we are having both plus and minus inside, it is regarded as difference of two squares. Now let's go on. So solving this, it will now be 2x multiplied by 2x. 2x multiplied by minus 3y. 2x. Good. Now we are done with this. We go to the next one. Minus 3y multiplied by 2x. The same thing. Do you get it? Yes. Minus times minus. 3y times 3y. 9y. Are we good? Yes. Now we go to the next thing. 4x squared minus 6xy minus 6xy. What's it going to give us? Plus. This was what I expected of you, which means that this 2x minus 3y open bracket all square is the same thing as this. When we factorize, we are going to get this. Are you getting it? Yes, sir. This is what you are expected to do. So the next one is difference of two squares. So we are still under the algebraic identities, but this time around we'll be dealing with difference of two squares. We are going to be considering the expressions. Consider the expressions of a plus b and a minus b. Why do we call it difference of two squares? Now, this a plus b is a square on its own. A minus b is a square on its own. Remember, our first square was square of a sum, whereby we have plus. Square of a difference, we have minus. But this time around, we have dealt with both sum and difference. Now, these are difference. Now, we are putting both sum and difference together. So, the moment we put sum and difference together, we don't call it sum separate or difference separate. We call it what? Difference of two squares. So, what do we do now? We are going to multiply through a plus b and a minus b. Now, remember, these signs are always very important. Your plus and minus. Yes, if you miss one, it's going to affect your answer. A times a times minus b. So we are done using the first one. Now we're using the second one. B times a plus ab. You see the same thing? B times minus b. Are we good? So our answer is going to be a square. Who knows our answer? Minus 2ab. Minus ab plus ab is 0. Now you get that. Now I'm going to give you one example and then we are going to try some classwork. Please, any question on that? I want us to move quickly. Eh? Yes, there is a minus here. Minus, if you know how to your board mass very well, minus AB plus AB is the same thing as, okay, oh, this positive now I want to bring it to the front, and then this minus I take it to the back. It becomes AB minus AB. If I bring this positive AB, I take it to the front, it becomes AB, because there is plus there. Then this minus, where is the minus AB? I now take it to the back. Is it not minus AB? AB minus AB. 0. Do you get the trick? Do you get it? Do you get it? All right. So this is our answer. So I'm going to give you one example, and then we quickly move to the next one. Now, it says, simplify the following. Let me use these questions in this textbook. Example 1. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. A, 4x plus 3y, 4x minus 3y, and B, 2p plus 1, 2p minus 1. The same method that we have used in the first example, that's what we are going to use now. Where we have a plus b and a minus b. Regina, are you with me? All right. So what we do now? Solution. Feel free to ask questions. If you don't understand anything, just feel free. You can take me back. All right. 4x. I don't want you to miss this, because that's what's affecting those that miss this class. 4x plus 3y, 4x minus 3y equals to, yes, it's time to calculate through. 4 times 4, x times x, it becomes what? 16x squared. 4x times minus 3y. Are we good? Now we have used this 4x to multiply through. We are going to use the second one. Are you with me? 3y multiplied by 4x. Is it plus or minus? Plus. Plus 3y multiplied by plus 4x. It's going to give you what? Plus. Good. We go to the next one. Plus 3y again. Multiplied by minus 3y. What are we going to get? Minus 9y squared. Good. Are we good? Yes. We're doing the same thing. 16x squared minus 12xy plus 12xy. What do we get? Yeah, it's 0. Just with the same method here. If you bring it to the front, it's the same. It is not minus minus. It is minus and plus. It becomes 9y. We can leave our answer like this, but we can still go further. Do you know that? Yeah, we can go further. Do you know? We can leave our answer like we can still go further, because what is the square root of this? What is the square root of this? 3. So we just say 4x minus 3y all, because this square can go for this. This will now be what? Y squared. 3 times 3. X squared, isn't it? 4 times 4. It's the same thing. Are we good? All right. Now we are going to go to sum of 2 cubes. I have some examples here which I want us to work with. Yes, look at it on the board. So what do we do now? We are going to multiply through with the first one. A multiply through, and then B multiply through, and then you are going to collect what? Like terms. Are you getting what I'm saying? You are going to multiply through with A, which is the first one, and then multiply through with B, which is the second one, and then you are going to collect your like terms. Am I making sense? So let's do that quickly. It becomes A times A squared. Yes. A times minus AB. A times B squared So we are done with A now. Now let's go to B. B multiplied by A square. Are we good? B again multiplied by minus AB. Are we good? Yes. The last one. B multiplied by plus B. So what do we do now? We collect what? It becomes A cube. Let's see any like terms here. There is one. This and this, they are the same. Are they not? Alright, let's arrange it before we do that. Minus A square B plus A square B. Now we go back to this. Plus AB square minus AB square plus B cube. Are we together? So here is gone. What about here? Gone. Do you understand? I hope you know how we did that. Plus, oh, there's a minus here. It is plus. This minus has gone. So you'll be having it like this. Here we have A minus B and which one again? A square. Is it plus? Okay, it's plus. Plus AB plus B square. Am I correct? Yes. Now you will notice something here. The first bracket is negative, while here the first bracket is what? Positive. So we call it sum. Now we are going to use this one to multiply through, just the way we did here. So we do it the same way we have done that. It becomes A multiplied by A. What do we get? You get it? A again multiplied by AB. Are we good? A multiplied by B square. Now, you have to be very careful with the signs. Your negative and positive sign. If you miss one, you miss your answer. You just miss one step, you have missed your answer. Yeah, there is no negative in front of this A. If you don't see anything in front of the A, it means it is a positive sign. That's plus sign. The moment you see a negative sign there, then you know that is what? So, we have multiplied through with A. Is that not so? Now let's multiply through with B. Minus B now. Multiply by A square. Minus B multiplied by plus AB. Minus B multiplied by plus B. Are we together? So we collect like terms just as we did. A square B minus A square B, 0. AB square minus AB square, 0. So we'll be left with what? Understood? Having understood all the algebraic identities, I'm giving you an assignment. Expand 3x minus 2y all squared. Number 2, simplify 8x minus 3y, bracket close, open bracket, 8x plus 3y. Number 3, evaluate 999 square minus 1. Number 4, simplify 2k, 2 plus k, close bracket, open bracket, 4 minus 2k plus k squared. The last one, open bracket, 1 minus y, close bracket, open bracket, 1 plus y squared. So that's our assignment. Thank you.
Yes, once again, we are continuing from our previous class, algebraic expressions. Today we'll be dealing with quadratic formula, which we have started before. Now tell us the quadratic formula.
X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2.
All over The first thing here we are going to do is we are going to identify what is A and what is B. So let's go with number 1. 2x squared plus 15x plus 7 equals to 0. A is what? B is what? C is what? Not minus. Plus 7. So we are going to substitute this for what we had in the formula. So let's go. It becomes what?
Minus.
What's our B?
15 plus or minus square root of 15 squared minus 4.
What's our A?
2.
What's our C?
7.
All over. What's our A again? So we do that. Minus 15 plus or minus 15 multiplied by 15. 225 minus 4 times 2. 8 times 7. Over 4. I believe you now got 4. 2 times 2. Huh? So we continue again. Minus 15 plus or minus 225 minus 56. 169. 169 over 4. Is that also?
Yes.
So our answer, what's the square root of 169? We now have minus 15 plus or minus 13 over 4. Am I good? So we are going to be having two different answers. So let's do the first one. Minus 15 plus 13 over 4 and minus 15 minus 13 over 4. So what do we get here? Minus 15 plus 13. What do we get? Minus 2 over 4. And then on this other side, what do we get?
Minus 28
over 4. So our answer, our new x will either be minus.
Sorry, sir. Always coming out to where is 6? Sorry, sir.
No problem. 4. So this is our answer using quadratic formula. Are we good? So let's do the second one. Number 2, 3, 2, 5. So that's our answer. So our new x is either 0.33 or minus 2.325. So that's our answer. So that's that on quadratic formula. We'll be going to the next one. Subtopic under algebraic expression, sum and product of roots of a quadratic equation. Now, under the sum and product of roots of a quadratic equation, we know that our almighty formula is what? What's our almighty formula? Where we have x is equals to minus b plus or minus
minus 4ac
all over.
2a.
Now, this time around, we are going to differentiate it. We are going to be having alpha and we are also going to be having beta. So under alpha, let's presume that alpha is positive. It becomes minus b plus, can you see that? B squared minus 4ac all over what? 2a. Now let's do the beta. Beta will now becomes what? Minus b minus this time around. Can you see what I'm doing? Minus over b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we are differentiating that. So the minus will go for the alpha, and then the positive one will go for the what? Okay, look at it. The positive one will go for the alpha, and then the negative one will go for the beta. So we are going to want to substitute it as d. This one that is inside the bracket. Are you together with me? This one, b. Yes, because we are solving a new theory. Just follow what I'm doing. Prove to you. This is a proof. You know, when we are doing a theory, we would like to prove the subject matter. The subject matter is sum and product of roots of a quadratic equation. After proving it to you, then we will now be able to use it in our calculations. we are going to be substituting b square minus 4ac for d. B square minus 4ac for d. So if you are substituting it, it will now be what? Equals to, that's our new x, will now be minus b plus or minus d, like this, all over what? 2a. You already know that our d is what? B squared minus 4ac. Are we good? Did you get it? I told you that this b squared minus 4ac, anywhere we see b squared minus 4ac, we put capital letter D. So anywhere we have D, we know that what is can be substituted for D is b squared minus 4ac. It's the same thing. I get it. So that's what we did here. Equals to minus b plus or minus d squared all over 2a. Now, in continuation from where we stopped, explaining the sum and products of roots of a quadratic equation, which means we are going to prove this theory, which we have started, how we got the sum and how we are going to get the product. Now, we want to show you how we will get the sum and product from the quadratic formula, which we have done by substituting b squared minus 4ac with d. And you remember how we got here. So our sum of roots is now alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b plus square root of d all over 2a plus minus b minus square root of d all over 2a. So at the end of the day, after calculating this, we got this minus 2b over 2a. Yes, you want to find out how to use the same method for products. We have done sum. Now we use product. Product simply means what? We multiply by each other. Alpha multiplied by beta. So we are presuming that the negative side, remember when we first got our alpha, we said let the positive be alpha and let the negative be beta. Do you remember the theory? Look at the theory. When we were doing the theory, when we were proving this theory, do you remember? When I said let alpha be positive, let beta be negative. So our new alpha is positive, our beta is negative. So we are now multiplying positive by negative here. So our new equation will now be minus b plus square root of d multiplied by minus b minus square root of d. Are you lost? So we multiply through. So after multiplying through, we got this. This multiplied by this, one after the other, minus b multiplied by minus b, do also plus b squared. So they did all that. You will do it one after the other. You use this one to multiply this, use minus b to multiply this, they take the second one again, multiply through again. That's how we got this. After collecting like terms, we got this over 4a squared. So we went further by now returning the d back to the initial form where we had b squared minus 4ac. Remember we substituted b squared minus 4ac with d.
Yes.
So we are now returning it. So when we return it, it became b squared minus open bracket b squared minus 4ac. So we are collecting like terms. Minus b squared minus b squared minus 4ac. Collect like terms. B squared minus b squared is gone. Do you get it? After collecting like terms. Are you with me? This minus times minus is what? Plus. We left with what? 4ac over 4a squared. So 4 we cancel 4, a we cancel a, remaining 1a, so we have c over a. Now, we want to create, we have gotten our sum of roots, we have gotten our product of roots. Now I want to look for the coefficient of that product and sum. We have gotten sum, we have gotten roots. And when we did that, we went further, we said, hence, if a squared, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a, b, and c are constants, and a is not equals to 0. Then alpha plus beta will give us what? Minus b over 8. Look at it here. What's our alpha plus beta? Look at it. Alpha plus beta is minus b over 8. And alpha multiplied by beta will give us what?
C over 8. C over 8.
That's our new alpha and that's our new beta. So in a question, they may give you a representation. When they say, let our alpha be x and our beta be y. They now say, so how do you rewrite alpha and beta again? How do you rewrite it? Alpha plus beta. Is it not minus b over a? So it will now be, assuming you got minus b over a here, it will now be what here? Minus y over x.
No, minus 8.
Alpha plus beta.
No, minus 8.
No, look at it.
Minus y over 8.
Alright. So this alpha stands for our A, and then this beta stands for our B. So this one will come first as minus B. Look at it, it's already calculated here. Let me put minus B over here. So after that, we now say our alpha plus our beta is what? Minus B over which we have here. So if you have product of alpha and beta, it will be equal to what? C over. So are you with me? Now we recall from 5.3 by the method of factorization. So if we are going to factorize what we have, now say, hence the root of the equation are 6 and minus 7. If a quadratic equation factorizes into x minus alpha, x minus beta equals 0, then alpha and beta must be the roots of the equation, also written as x squared plus bx over a plus c over a equals 0. That is equation 1. X minus alpha, x minus beta equals 0. X squared minus alpha plus bx plus alpha plus b equals to 2. That's equation 2. By comparing the coefficients in equation 1 and 2, comparing the coefficients, these are coefficients, this and this goes together, so they are the same thing. What about the second one? This bx over a is different from this one. So by comparing, we are going to be having minus alpha plus beta equals to ba. Therefore, if you want to remove this minus, we multiply this minus by this, we get what? Minus b over a. X squared minus alpha plus beta is our answer. So, from what we have been calculating, anywhere you see alpha multiplied by beta, just know that it is c over a. And anywhere you see alpha plus beta, just know that it's what? Minus b over a. So, we want to use these to solve a question. So our first question is, find the sum and product of the roots of each of the following quadratic formula, which I believe in the notes. For those that get this, it is number 1, 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Number 2, 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. Number 3, x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So let's do the first one. 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So we are going to do the first one. Now, our first question today is 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. We are now going to identify A, identify B, identify C. What is A? What is B? The same way you identify A, B, C, your quadratic formula. We are going to identify A, identify B, and C. So our A is what? 2. Our B is 3. Our C is what? Minus 1. Now, since we are doing roots and products, let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation. Now, I won't use this if I have not been instructed from the question. The question said, Find the sum and product of the roots of each of the following quadratic. Find the product and what? Sum of the roots. So you use this. They did not say find the quadratic formula. Do you get what I'm saying? So once they give you something like that, you can say let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation. Then you go back to the theory. Then alpha plus beta is what? Is that what we have there from our theory? So you substitute it. You know what? Minus 3 over 2. What is the product? Alpha and beta is product. Is equal to what? So what is our C? Minus 1 over 2. Did you get it now? So that's it for today. So our assignment is 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. And another assignment is x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So that's our assignment. I'll meet you in our next class. Have a nice day.